Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to Maths Olympiad geometry question. So this is the geometry question, and in the given figure, if AB, you can see here this AB and CD are the two chords of this circle, and these two chords are intersect each other at right angle. Right angle means this point is the right angle, so it means this P point value is 90 degrees. So we need to find here x plus y, and you can see this x value and y value, and if we add these x plus y, so we'll find here x plus y. So how to find this x plus y? And you can see these are the two chords of this circle AB and CD, and this AC and DB is also a chord of a circle, but these two chords are not mentioned here, but you can see this is also a chord of circle AC and DB also. And this angle x plus y, we need to find x plus y here. So we are using here the concept angle in the same segment are equal. We know the property of the circle angle CDB is equal to angle CAB. You can see here CDB this angle and CAB this angle. You can see easily these two angles are the same segment, so they are equal, and CAB value is already given that x, so it means your CDB is also x. And you can write the reason here: angles in same segment are equal. So CDB is also x. So CDB is also, this is also x. Now x plus y, we need to find x plus y here. Now everybody knows, you can see this angle P is 90 degree. So now we are using DPB triangle by using theorem exterior angle property. In triangle DPB, this triangle DPB, we are using the theorem exterior angle property. Okay, so if we have to, if suppose this is the triangle, these two angles, these two interior opposite angle is equal to the one exterior angle. We know we learned this property in the 7th class, so we are using here. So these two are the interior angle, so these two sum x plus y is equal to exterior angle, which is 90 degree. Now you can see we are easily find this x plus y sum, which is 90 degree. So this option is correct.